Years ago, Ontario moved to an online system to ensure a person's wishes about organ donation can be shared with loved ones at the appropriate time. There are over 1,400 people waiting for a life-saving organ transplant in Ontario. All it takes is 2 minutes to change someone's life. Register your consent to organ and tissue donation today at beadonor.ca. A message from Windsor Regional Hospital.
Mattress Madness on now at Bedroom Depot. Huge savings up to 58% off Simmons Beauty Rest, Serta Perfect Sleepers, and Gel Memory Foam mattresses. Hurry in now to Bedroom Depot, voted #1 mattress store in Windsor.
Lately, times have been challenging, with many people facing increased interest rates, inflation, and rising credit card debt. Everyone needs a little help from time to time, but it can be hard to ask for help when it comes to your personal finances. But you're not alone. Millions of Canadians share that feeling with you. 500,000 Canadians have found help with their debt, and so can you with Consolidated Credit Counseling Services of Canada. They are one of the largest non-profit credit counseling organizations in the country with an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau. They could help you consolidate your bills into one affordable payment, minimize your interest rates, and get you out of debt fast. No matter how much you owe, you don't need to do this alone. To get help, call 1-800-656-7129. That's 1-800-656-7129. Let Consolidated Credit get you back to a debt-free life. Call 1-800-656-7129. Call toll-free today for a free consultation. 1-800-656-7129. Ontario license number 4705786.
When you need someone to fight for you, to get your life back on track, to make things right again, choose Pachoco